Hey guys, today I have a little something that I picked up the other day. This is from Home Depot, and I thought I'd just share it with everyone and see if you guys are interested and you can pick up a tool set like this. So I got this, like I said, from Home Depot. I got it for $1.99. The sale is still going on. The regular price is believe it's $3.50. I had it shipped to my home for about $2.10 with taxes. But anyway, so I'm just going to show you what I got. There's a variety of tool kits that are on sale at Home Depot right now. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by anybody, so this is just something that I'm sharing with anyone who is interested. And so what I got was this kit, which is the hammer drill set. So it's an M12 fuel by Milwaukee. So I picked up the hammer drill set with the impact driver, drill driver type. It's not for automotive purpose. It's mainly for drilling screws in, drywall, things like that. And what I really wanted was this, which is the ratchet. So I'll just quickly open this thing. Let's see here. Doing this with one hand, and see if I can get this open. So what else you get with the kit is you get 2 batteries and a carrying bag as well as the charger. And like I said, my kit came with the ratchet as an additional bonus. So let me see if I can yank this out. It's all pre-packed in the bag. I didn't open this myself, as you saw me just open the tape, and it looks like this inside. Some instructions, and it's pretty well packed. It's got a cardboard here, so you get I believe this is a 2 amp hour battery, and I believe there's a 4 in here. This is the drill. It's pretty small actually. This is compact. It's not like something that's for super heavy duty, but it will be decent enough for myself and for my purpose. This is the impact drill driver thing that I was talking to them about. Also very small, very compact. It's like the size of my hand. And then this is the charger. And then this is the other battery, the bigger battery. There's another kit that has just a drill and the impact driver with an additional battery. All depends on what your purpose is and what is best for you. And like I said, this is what I wanted. And like I said, my kit may not be suitable for you, but there's other kits available. I believe the sale may go for like another week or 2. So whoever's interested may look into that. You can just type in Milwaukee tool set and something will come up for you, and then from there you can kind of browse through what is available, because there are many different kits available. And so this is the ratchet. This is, like I said, this is the one that I wanted. So when I relocated here, I left a whole bunch of tools back at my home, and so although this is kind of sort of my new home now, but and eventually I will pick up my other tools until I can get settled. But for now, I mean, I want to kind of get some stuff. So like I said, this is what I wanted, and so this is the ratchet. It's a 3/8 drive, also powered by the same batteries as the drill, and it looks pretty good. It's a bit heavy, but not crazy heavy. Probably about the same weight as like having a heavier air ratchet. The torque on this is not very strong, but it's actually not bad. So you get 35 foot-pounds of torque, and you get about 250 RPMs on the ratcheting head. And like I said, it's not bad. You can always break things loose by hand and then start ratcheting away. So this is suitable for me. And like I said, if anyone's out there who's interested, looking into a tool set like this, if you need a hammer drill or a impact driver, like I said, this is $199. And then if, let's say, you just needed the ratchet, you could try to sell off the other two tools. If you got batteries and you don't need these batteries, you can also sell those. You know, you can make your money back. And yeah, hopefully this video will help somebody out, and hopefully if I get a chance, I can do a kind of a review and demonstrate the tools for you. Although I don't have anything really planned yet, but if there is something where I can show the use of the tools, I will go ahead and do that for you guys. All right, thanks again, guys.